कोविड ने बहुत लोगों को नुकसान पहुंचाया। हमारे जो स्टूडेंट्स हैं स्कूल्स में, कॉलेजेस में, यूनिवर्सिटीज़ में, उनको बहुत कष्ट सहना पड़ा। आईआईटीज़ ने, कॉलेजेस ने एग्ज़ाम्स कैंसिल करके बच्चों को प्रमोट किया है। यूजीसी कन्फ्यूजन क्रिएट कर रही है। यूजीसी को भी एग्ज़ाम्स कैंसिल करके पास परफॉर्मेंस के बेसिस पे बच्चों को प्रमोट कर देना चाहिए। धन्यवाद।
Namaskar. The students of this country form the future of the nation. But how are they coping with this very difficult time during this COVID-19 crisis? We know that UGC has sent out a circular related to examination to be given by the students. We also know that a lot of institutes, including premium institutes, have cancelled examination this year. In absence of a national policy, there is an element of confusion in the student community. We know that due to lockdown, students have not been able to go to schools and colleges. They are closed. They are receiving their educational instructions through online training. We are aware that online training or distant learning cannot be a replacement to classroom training. In this very difficult condition, also where India is the third worst affected country in the world by COVID-19, where numbers are increasing every single day, how fair is it to expect the students to risk their lives to go out, and with this limited training that they have received through online classes, how fair is it to expect that they will give their exams this year? Can we have one national policy which cancels exams across all institutes in the nation and which kind of probably uses the last academic year's performance or last semester's performance for the current evaluation criteria? Also, we have seen that across different industry verticals, people have suffered a salary cut or a wage cut. Many people have lost their jobs. People who are in businesses are suffering a lot of economic distress. In these circumstances, is it not logical to expect that schools and colleges will waive off their academic fees for the last 6 months? We would appeal to the government, both central and the state government, to issue a circular to this effect. Also, we have seen in West Bengal, there has been no recruitment for upper primary teacher for 7 years. It's a long time. I would like to appeal to the state government to immediately look into this issue. Our students are our future, so it's our duty to stand by the students and to raise their concerns. That is exactly what we are doing in today's program, supported by NUCI and Chhatra Parishad in speaking up for the students.
Namaskar, I am a MA final year student and I have few issues to raise. Well, the first issue is UGC should roll back the decision taken to conduct examinations. And the next is the government of India should promote students on the basis of previous academic records, because IITs and IIMs can scrap examination and promote students. Why can't other central universities or schools or colleges could do that? So I would request you to promote students on a mass basis. And the third and the final request from me is that you should waive off 6 months fees from the students, because we are facing various issues along with monetary issues. So I think you should understand and help us, because at the end of the day students' lives matters. Jai Hind.
जी है, केरल ने 2021 जुलाई तक के लिए सारे जो कोविड नॉर्म्स है उनको फॉलो करने के लिए गाइडलाइंस जारी कर दी है, और साथ ही साथ लॉकडाउन की घोषणा की कुछ दिनों के लिए, और ये भी सुनिश्चित किया है कि 2021 तक 20 आदमी से ज्यादा कहीं एकत्रित नहीं होंगे। जब परिस्थितियां इतनी विकराल हो और महामारी इस स्वरूप में हो जिसका हमारे पास ना इलाज है ना वैक्सीन है, तो ऐसे में मुझे लगता है कि इस तरह की गाइडलाइंस देना, वो भी MHA के माध्यम से HRD में इंटरफेरेंस करना, इस बात का द्योतक है कि वो किसी भी स्वरूप में हमारे छात्रों के साथ कोई सद्भावना नहीं रखते और उन्हें प्रमोट करने में उन्हें परहेज है। जबकि हमारे युवा बहुत ही ज्यादा प्रतिभाशाली हैं, उन्हें यदि प्रमोट कर दिया जाएगा बिना परीक्षा के तो उससे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा, वो उतने ही जिज्ञासा के साथ अपनी शिक्षा को जारी रखेंगे।
Entire nation is facing through an unprecedented period of crisis and turmoil due to this COVID-19 pandemic. Our parents and students are under tremendous stress and pressure due to this virus. How can they think about writing an exam now, our students? How can they write an exam with confidence? Therefore, I am totally supporting the demand of NSUIs to defer the university examination for this year, and also I supporting the demand for waiving of the tuition fees for coming next 6 months. Please support NSUI Speak Up campaign for this. Thank you.
During this COVID-19 pandemic situation, colleges and schools have been closed. The students are being taught under the virtual classes. In the meanwhile, many colleges are demanding the fees from the students. Government of India is also not bothering about the demands of the parents and the students. UGC and several central government organizations under the Ministry of Human Resource Development is declaring examination for students. Under the COVID situation, it is very difficult for the students to write the examination. Therefore, the various state governments have written to the Government of India that on the basis of the past performance, the evaluation may be made and the students' pass may be declared. But the Government of India is silent on that. And the Government of India also should declare that there should be no fees for 6 months because the students are not able to pay the fees since their parents are not able to earn their livelihood. Therefore, I urge upon the Government of India to cancel all the examinations and also declare that no tuition fees for until 6 months, so that the clarification come from the Government of India itself.
In the midst of COVID-19 situation, which is likely to escalate further in the coming months, the student community across the country is going through a lot of uncertainties, and the UGC's decision to hold examinations in the month of September may not be possible. So that is why it's important that UGC should categorically declare that the students should be promoted in toto for the next academic year and relieve the students of their mental stress, hardship and uncertainties at rest.
Hello, I'm Shashi Tharoor and I support strongly the NSUI campaign calling for no examinations to be conducted during this COVID lockdown period. If the IITs can promote their students without examinations, why not other universities? Conditions are difficult, student safety makes examinations impracticable, and in many cases the circumstances of lockdown prevent students from accessing their places of study, their libraries, and even their examination centers. In these circumstances, going ahead with examinations is unfair, unequal, and in many cases unjust. It will lead to many students ruining or wasting an academic year. I believe the examination should be postponed and another way found of evaluating student performance up to this point. Equally, many students find it very difficult to pay their fees for the current semester. They're not getting the full education on campus. Their parents, in many cases, have no income or reduced income because of the COVID-induced lockdown constraints. I support NSUI's request that fees should be waived for 1 semester at all educational institutions, and if necessary, the government should provide a buffer to those institutions that need it to enable them to stay viable and pay their teacher salaries. Good work, NSUI. I support your campaign. Save students during COVID. Jai Hind.